Good afternoon, VV Nation, and Happy New Year. My name is Glenn, Senior Stock Market Strategist for VectorVest, and I'm going to give you my top 10 picks for 2024. A lot of you have been looking for this video, and here it is. Before we get started, though, for those of you who are brand new to the channel and just been watching the content, I invite you to subscribe to the channel and do it right now. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon so that you'll be alerted to when new videos like this come out. And if you like the content, you like this video that you're about to see that's got a bonus section, make sure you hit the like button as well. These are two things that are going to help us to grow our channel. We had a great year, 2023. Let's make it doubly, triply great for 2024. All right, so my top 10 picks for 2024. We're going to look and see what my top 10 picks for 2023 did. And I've got a bonus for you, but you got to stay to the end. I've got a bonus for some of you guys out there, guys and gals today, so make sure you stay to the end. First thing we want to do is get right into the program, looking at what's going on. So yes, I'm going to give you picks, but I need you to understand what's going on in the market right now. Looks like the market has gotten to a level where we are overextended by way of our MTI, which is at 1.64. The market is definitely at a point where it's overextended and possibly looking for a top. We can see right here, candlestick pattern. That's a little bit of a bearish harami with some follow through on Friday and even more follow through today, Monday, as I record this video. So keeping that in mind, these stocks I want you to put into a watch list. Remember, these are the stocks that I think are going to do well over 2024. Doesn't mean that it's the right time to buy right now, but be prepared. So I want to put that disclaimer out there before we get started. All right, let's go to the viewers. Here's my top picks for 2023. Man, on the day that we looked at them, they weren't all great. And I got a lot of feedback saying, why did you pick those garbage stocks? They're not even good going into 2023. So let's go see what's going on from there. Let's do a quick test. Here's 1/3 of 2023 when I did the picks. Let's quick test them. And look at this. Good googly moogly. We outperformed the market, right? Didn't we? 25% on the S&P, 51% on these picks. If I sort this out, how about in the beginning of 2023, I was already on top of crypto. We had Riot. It went up 370% for the year. Zscaler went up 93. XAS went up 55. Rig went up 47. Love went up 20. Yes, we did have three big losers. That's the tough part about putting out stocks so early in the year for the year. Anything can happen. I truly understand that. So this year, and we did well. A lot of it was Riot. A lot of it was Riot. Pretty much all of it was Riot. All right. So you sit back and go, well, you just got lucky. Well, I went through a process of doing some research to give you the stocks that I gave you last year, and I'm doing the same thing again this year. All right, let's go find my top picks for 2024. 1, 2, there we go. 1, 2, 2024. All right, so here's my top picks going into 2024. I took a little bit of a different approach. I use a lot more of the power of the VectorVest system to find these stocks. Notice the majority of these stocks have relative values above 1, which means they should outperform the market over the next 1 to 3 years. The majority of these stocks make money consistently. Relative safety is above 1. All of the stocks are in an uptrend, which is important. You need to know when to buy, what to buy, and when to sell. Well, what to buy, in looking at these different industries we're going to look at in a second, but the when to buy when the stocks are in an uptrend, but keep in mind what's going on in the market. All of the VSTs are at or above 1. All of the CIs, these are stocks that go up more than they go down, are all above 1. And the earnings growth for just about all of them, 7 out of the 10 have double-digit earnings growth. I think that I've set the baseline for these stocks to do very well going into 2024. And again, you stick with me to the end, I've got a bonus for you. All right, let's go take a look at these industries that they're in. I like diversification. Building is still a big thing right now. And people are looking at possibly interest rates getting cut. That's going to be big for building as well. SMCI is going to be a tricky one. It's done so well. Let's see if it can do well going into 2024. Meta is one of the stocks that's in the Magnificent Seven. Got to have some of those stocks in there. Coca-Cola. Everybody drinks Coca-Cola. I think that's going to have a good year. CRS is also in the building, but in the steel alloy. Intel. You know something? I am thinking that Intel is going to have a breakout year this year. You heard it first here. We'll see. CCJ, uranium has been big all year, last year. I think it's going to get even bigger this year. CCJ is one of the best uranium stocks that are out there. Microsoft, all I got to say is ChatGPT. That's it for Microsoft. All right. And it's another one of the Magnificent Seven stocks, ChatGPT. And everybody's trying to come up with something to compete against it. AIQ, because AI is going to be even bigger this year. I like the ETF for the whole space, AIQ. And you know something? Crypto has been rocking. I think it's going to keep rocking in anticipation of a new spot ETF for Bitcoin. All right. So with all of that, those are all my industries. I'd like to be diversified. And those are my top 10 picks going into 2024. All right. Use the power of the VectorVest system to make sure that we were in good quality stocks that should have the opportunity to keep going up. Now, here's my bonus. How about all you speculators out there? I've got 5 speculative stocks that I want you to keep your eyes on. Now, keep in mind, these are going to be very volatile stocks. If volatility is not your thing, you don't want to touch these stocks. All right, so I've got Block, SQ, ESLT I like because it's a drone company. A lot of drones being used, especially over in Israel right now. I want you to keep your eyes on that. Palantir is a stock that I've been liking all year, and I'm hoping that all of these contracts that they get turn into big money. IMMP, got to have a drug company in there as well. Keep your eyes on that. Notice that these are not fundamentally sound. That's why they're speculative. And Metamaterials, a 7-cent stock made my list. Interesting, huh? 7-cent stock made my list, but it's got a relative value above 1. Keep your eyes on that as well. Folks, that's my bonus for you today. Those speculative plays, I want you to keep your eyes on, but they are going to be volatile. And if volatility ain't your game, you need to get out the kitchen on those. But my other stocks, my top 10 picks going into 2024, I think this is a solid base of stocks that you guys need to keep your eyes on at the right time, especially if the market's pulling back right now. I'm not going to tell you to get into it. Folks, the first video of the year. And here you go. If you like what you saw here, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you're brand new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. That's the only way we grow. Folks, this video is over. And until the next time, we're looking forward to a great 2024, and we hope you join us. See ya. Nation, we want you to start 2024 on the best foot possible. So we're going to have our flagship 2-day seminar in Tampa on January 5th and 6th of 2024. And I'm inviting you to our live stream event right here, right now. Simply go to www.vectorvest.com/stream to register. What are you going to get? Well, we're going to show you how to triple your fixed income investing. 3 times more. And then we're going to show you a blockbuster ETF strategy that will just really blow your mind. What else do you get for showing up for the live event? You get full access to the broadcast. You get world-class stock education. You get a digital copy of the course. You get a $100 voucher for any VectorVest coaching group, and we've got prizes and drawings for over $2,500. Folks, you want to register and do it right now.